show you just a really quick video here. These Lowe Fletcher ZA and ZL, I think. Yeah, there you go, got a ZL code on this key. Master keys do exist for this type of lock, but not for all of them. There are some which are not master keyed, so we need a way to open them. So we took one of these keys, filed it all down, and added a little handle on the bottom, and then a broken Peterson bypass tool, bent, curved, with a flat put on the tip, and that will work like this. Okay, we'll pop that in there, like so, all the way to the back, followed by the wire. Turn them around together, just like picking a normal lever lock with a 2-in-1 style pick. Apply some tension, and starting from the back, we just begin to lift levers and very slowly move through the lever pack. And I say very slowly through the lever pack because there are 7 levers in this tiny little lock. Okay, it was a little bit of a turn there. I'm just moving from front to back, no particular order. Just walking through. And they don't have great tolerances on because they are tiny little things. So eventually something has to give. And there she goes. 7 levers. Now you can throw this all the way, remove your tool, because you can lock it up without picking. Fantastic. Thanks for watching.